abusuafo ene yade nyina President Dr. Osajefo Nana Akufo-Addo ose adeoyo ose ene owishi a Merry Christmas no keka nsem kakra kan ho na moma yentie ensemia obeke.
Fellow Ghanaians, as we gather with our families and loved ones on this most blessed of occasions, I come to you not only as your president, but also as a fellow citizen, a husband, a father, and a grandfather who cherishes the warmth and meaning of Christmas, just like you. Tonight, our nation is united in celebration, reflection, and gratitude for the gift of life and the boundless grace of the Almighty. Christmas is a time of joy and togetherness, a season when we pause to cherish the enduring values of love, hope, and compassion. It reminds us of the ultimate gift of our Savior, Jesus Christ, whose birth brought light into the world and gave humanity the promise of salvation. His story inspires us to be our brother or sister's keeper, to extend a hand of kindness, and to uphold the dignity of every individual. This Christmas, I invite all of us to reflect on what it means to live as one nation under God. In our homes, let us create memories that are marked by laughter, forgiveness, and the simple joys that remind us of life's true treasures. And in our communities, let us renew our commitment to being instruments of peace and progress. Let us reach out to those who are less fortunate, offering them not just material assistance, but also the priceless gift of our time, love, and presence. As I approach the conclusion of my tenure as your president, I want to speak from the heart and say, thank you. Serving as the leader of our beloved country has been the greatest honor of my life. Together we've achieved remarkable milestones. We've expanded access to education, strengthened the healthcare system, invested in infrastructure, revitalized agriculture, accelerated the industrial transformation of the economy, and worked tirelessly to secure a brighter future for our children. These achievements are not mine, they are yours. They are proof of the resilience and resolve of Ghanaians everywhere. Yet our journey is far from over. Ghana's story is still being written, and each of us has a role to play in shaping her future. Let us move forward with faith, knowing that brighter days lie ahead, powered by the energy, creativity, and determination of our people. Tonight, as the festive lights illuminate our cities, towns, and villages, let them remind us of the hope that shines within each one of us. Hope that compels us to dream big, to rise above division, and to build a nation where every child, no matter where he or she is born, has the chance to thrive. Fellow Ghanaians, this year, we have achieved another monumental milestone in our national development with the peaceful, free, and fair election of a new president and new members of parliament. I extend my heartfelt congratulations to the president-elect and the MPs-elect, and wish them wisdom, strength, and God's blessings as they prepare to lead our beloved nation. I must nevertheless also condemn in no uncertain terms the unnecessary acts of violence that have tarnished an otherwise exemplary democratic exercise. Let us never forget that seeking power is not a call to arms, but rather a call to service. Those who might contemplate using violence to achieve their aims, know this: our nation's peace is sacred, and it will not be sacrificed on the altar of ambition. The rule of law will prevail, no matter what. I urge the security services to take a firm stance against any actions that threaten the stability and harmony of our land. Let us ensure that every election deepens our democracy and fortifies our unity. As the saying goes, peace is not the absence of conflict, but the ability to handle conflict by peaceful means. Let us embrace this wisdom as a guiding principle in our journey forward. As we gather around our tables to share meals, let us think of those who make our celebrations possible. The security personnel standing guard so we may celebrate in safety. The health workers caring for the sick. The farmers and fisherfolk whose labor feeds our families. Let us also remember those who are less fortunate, and may our prayers and actions bring them comfort and renewal in the year ahead. My fellow Ghanaians, having come to the end of my lawful tenure as president and preparing to step into the next chapter of my life, I leave you with this thought. Ghana is a nation destined for greatness. Let us protect her peace, cherish her unity, and nurture her promise. Together, guided by the light of hope and the spirit of love, we can achieve extraordinary things. May this Christmas season fill our hearts with joy, our homes with laughter, and our lives with blessings. May the coming year bring us closer to the Ghana of our dreams, and may God continue to bless our nation and its people abundantly. Merry Christmas, my fellow Ghanaians. I thank you and have a good evening.